Look at what Dan's done. Go on, Sharpo. Steady as you go, son.
Didn't move the stream, for fuck's sake.
Oh, he's fucking frightened on the cunt. Oh, they're kicking off. They're getting amongst it.
You dropped your rope.
Yeah, wait there. Don't go for the pigeon, Sharpo. We want the big boy. Oh.
They're wary when they see that string moving.
Yeah, watch out. Oh. He's on gear, him, that one. He's that big.
Yeah, we're going to dive and move.
Come on. Here we go. Once one has a crack. Let him get amongst it, check.
They've only got across the line, do they? They're fucking not that.
Yeah, that right. You can't hear it.
Oh, look. See him bounce over it.
Line, Sharpo.
Oh, look. What's that? What's that magic? Go on. Oh, Sharpo, you shit bag. That's it. Let him get accustomed to it. He knows what he's doing.
Come on, Sharpo.
Oh, Sharpo.
You're fucking. This is
There's not much spread left.
Oh, Sharpo.
It's in there.
Come on, clack it! Get it! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Go on, Dan.
Get it!
Yes!